Hey everyone, today is day 21 of the 31 Days to Get Organised challenges, and it's the end of our week of dealing with malignant clutter, and tomorrow we start with lazy clutter. And it's a great moment to give you a challenge that I think could bridge both of those moments. Falling out of touch with friends or family or other people that we know can sometimes come about because of an argument or a disagreement or something even petty. And sometimes it can just be because we haven't really made the effort to reach out to someone that we know and have loved or have really liked in the past. So today's challenge, look at those two areas, malignant, lazy, decide which one maybe your friendships have fallen into, and reach out to some person who would love to hear from you and who may actually benefit hugely from just the sound of your voice. Not email, but phone, in person. Do it.